Food has the power to take us on a journey. That's why the Kamado Joe was engineered to serve up adventure. A thick ceramic body holds and evenly distributes heat and flavor for the ultimate experience charcoal grilling and smoking has to offer. The heavy-duty control tower top vent orchestrates the airflow, enabling you to control the temperature with expert precision. The stainless steel latch and wire mesh fiberglass gasket create an airtight seal, locking in optimal heat, smoke, and moisture. The revolutionary airlift hinge allows you to lift the heavy ceramic lid with the touch of a finger. Explore your culinary creativity with our unique Divide and Conquer multi-level cooking system. With it, you can tackle a variety of dishes simultaneously at their most favorable temperatures. But Kamado Joe is much more than a grill. By utilizing the innovative slow-roller hyperbolic smoke chamber that optimizes airflow to create evenly rolling, recirculating waves of savory smoke, the advanced multi-panel firebox radiates heat for hours and eliminates breakage due to expansion and contraction. Finally, we've eliminated the tedious task of scraping out ash with our slide-out ash drawer, keeping your Kamado Joe ready for your next great adventure. Breathtaking by design, the Kamado Joe empowers you to execute your vision with the confidence and tools of a master. Together, these features create the most innovative, efficient, and durable Kamado grill in the world, designed for cooks who love to explore new worlds of culinary expression.